Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So in this video I will be changing my spark plugs on my Nissan Micra. It's a very easy job to do. I got this specialized tool to remove the spark plug and I will show you how to do it.
Guys, check this out.
So this is the specialized tool that I will be using. It's a spark plug socket which I have got from eBay, and it's pretty handy. In fact, it got a few other sizes as well, but for this job I will be using a 16 mm. This is the old spark plug. Now let's just put it right here. You can see the spark plug that I have taken out from this car. They look pretty clean, and I guess the last owner probably have serviced the car, but I will just get it replaced anyway because this car doesn't really come with any service history. Let's get the second one out. This is the old spark plug, and here's the new one. So that's how you change your spark plug in your car. It's a very easy job to do. A lot of guys, they skip this bit when it comes to maintaining your car. Now this is very important as part of your maintenance. Now I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, just do make sure to press the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you for next time. Goodbye.